How to add an email account in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to add an email account. Click the email accounts icon. Enter the new email address you want to create. Then enter and confirm a password for this new account. You can choose to set a mailbox quota or have it unlimited. When ready, click Create Account. That's it! The new email account has been created and is now listed at the bottom of the page. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to add an email account in cPanel.